back, first timers. But if you're new here, I'm David, and this is Terry.
We're trying things for the first time, and you can too. You watched us try moment drinks for the first time.
In this video, we're going to be doing a walking tour in HarborWalk Village in Destin, Florida,
where we're also catching a Dolphin Cruise.
We're down here at HarborWalk Village doing a walking tour. It's a little windy, so
pardon the noise. Actually pretty quiet for this area. We are here on a Sunday in off season. Typically it's very busy. There's a lot of shops and restaurants.
Yeah, they have all kinds of live music that plays throughout the week. They do fireworks
on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday during the spring and summer.
Check the website for their hours and schedule for fireworks, but you can rent boats out of here. They have boat tours. There's
Dolphin Cruises.
Foreshadowing.
There's
jet ski rentals.
Sunset dinner cruises. Any kind of water activities you want to do, come down to HarborWalk Village. They can hook you up. Deep sea fishing.
Souvenir shops. A lot of, they have like escape rooms. There's virtual reality rooms down here. I mean, there's a lot to do.
It's family friendly, so if you have kids with you, it's a great place to come during the day. At night, it gets a little bit more bar-ish.
Dog friendly. A lot of the restaurants have areas for dogs to come in and sit.
Get a little drink of water when it's hot. There's a zip line. There's rock climbing.
Yeah. Everybody's friendly down here.
And a bungee jumping platform.
Bungee jumping is more of a fall. It's more of like an assisted fall from a tower. But
yeah, it's like a free fall.
We get enough comments in the comment section on this video. Maybe we'll get Terry to jump off the tower.
Okay. Yeah, I'll do it. If there's enough likes and comments, I'll do it.
All right. We don't know what the threshold is, but we'll know when it's enough.
It's got to be a lot.
All right, let's keep walking.
I'm not sure I told you what we were doing today. We're on a Dolphin Cruise.
Called the Sequest or Sequest 2. It's put on through AJ's. So we've actually been on this cruise one time before for the daytime. We had originally scheduled to go out for the Sunset Cruise, which would have been our first time, but due to the big game going on today, I think participation was limited, so we got moved over to the daytime cruise. So while it's not our first time, this might be your first time, and we hope you have just as much fun as we're about to have.
So this is definitely the off time of year. If you come here during the spring or summer, it's packed. Like shoulder to shoulder, walking around, the cruises, all of the tours, they're packed. So you want to definitely book ahead of time if you're coming out here. Who wants to see us buy a boat for the first time? I do.
Gonna switch it from stun to kill. Boat's about to take off. Here we go. right, we made it back to dry land. That was an awesome boat ride.
It was so much fun. Would recommend. It's a little cold in the winter months, but in the summer, you'll have a blast. Summer, spring, you'll have a blast.
Yeah, so they gave you 2 free drinks for each person, and it could be water, juice, soda, and then also wine and beer. They have a policy that if you don't see any dolphins, they'll give you a rain check, and you can come back anytime in the next year for a free cruise. It was a blast. We had a good time. The crew was super friendly. The music was great. There was a lot of dancing. We would definitely recommend you doing that Dolphin Cruise. So we booked it through AJ's Water Adventures. They have not just dolphin cruises, but they have sunset cruises, snorkeling. And from the boat, you can actually see where Crab Island is, which is a submerged island that used to be in the shape of a crab. It's kind of got washed over, but that's where people during the spring and the summer, they park their boats, and it turns into a crazy party out there.
We'll take you there soon.
And we're gonna grab some lunch at AJ's right on the dock. I went all in on the sushi. Terry doesn't eat any sushi, and I'm hoping that one day she will.
Comment down below if you want to watch me sushi for the first time.
What'd you get there, Terry?
I got the poblano soup. It is so good. It's ridiculously good. If you're here, get it.
Round 2 on the chicken soup.
It's so good. I want to take a bath in this.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow along for the next time when we do something else for the first time.
First timers.
High five.